like, comment, share, like, share mas.
Ayan guys, ang daming tao. There's a lot of people over here. Goes. Stop. Like there's something like
沿西东大道通过前后高速，请前往人流较少的地方继续观赏。There are more panda sculptures along the Avenue of Stars.
See guys.
Please go to a less crowded area to continue enjoying the view.
星光大道有更多熊貓元素，請前往人流較少位置繼續觀賞。
沿星光大道有更多熊猫雕塑，请前往人流较少的地方继续观赏。There are more panda sculptures along the Avenue of Stars. Please go to a less crowded area to continue enjoying the view.
星光大道有更多熊貓元素，請前往人流較少位置繼續觀賞。
沿星光大道有更多熊猫雕塑，请前往人流较少的地方继续观赏。There are more
It's cute.
两个樱桃的樱桃菜，你看多好樱。
请前往人流较少的地方继续观赏。There are more panda sculptures along the Avenue of Stars. Please go to a less crowded area to continue enjoying the view.
星光大道有更多熊貓。
Ganda pala yung ganito. Ganda ng view dito guys. So yan, nandito kami sa Chisatsoy. Yan ang clock tower. Ayan. Kung naalala nyo, nandito ako dati. At nag-adventure ako ng gabi. See that guys? So many people over there. I don't know what is happening. But there's something event. Sinong gustong mag-picture ko na?
Dito maganda o dito. Ano stress mo?
Wala pa. Pinapicturean kita. Saan ba gusto mo? Yan guys.
Natawa ako kayo. Yan, naman ko anong ginagawa nyo nung nagkagawa nyo.
Saan?
Doon sa dati, nagsusuatan lang na kasama ko ba yun?
Ay, yung tayo!
Saan?
Yung taon-taon tayo sa screen. Kasama siya.
Hindi sa screen. Kami nandun
Kaya
kami.
kami, bakit parang di ko yun nakita si ano lang. Biyat ka kasi.
Ang ganda kaya dito pag gabi kasi pumunta ako dito ng gabi. Nag-adventure ako. Tapos ang ganda mag-ilog. Oh, pwede bumaba. Tara,
Sana
baba
tayo.
So yun guys.
Sa dulo na lang.
Sige sa dulo.
同你影下相啦，嗱，星光大道嗰邊啦。
Dito ayaw mo?
Clock tower. Wag
Ayaw
na,
mo dyan?
ako ayaw ko nandiyan. Tama na yun sa akin.
Saan?
Nakita mo?
Ito yung picture nila sa, yung senior na sa gising, di ba dito yun?
Oo.
Parang kasi gagawin sila.
Oo, ito dito. Ito nga, ito dito. Christmas decoration. We will go there.
There you go, the side. Ay, sabi so many people here. Sometimes if you want to spend your Sunday.
This way.
You want picture here? In the clock? You don't want? You don't want to
Not
here?
really.
I have a picture.
Yun na guys. Ang dami-daming tao dito guys kasi nga, you know, holiday and I don't know what is the event of them. See? You know, meron silang parang sombrero dito na Pokemon. At dahil malamig na nga, no? So, everyone is wearing a jacket. At, pero sunny yan, napaka-sunny. Mainit ang panahon, pero yung ano yan, malamig. Hangin malamig. Sorry,
It's nice to have picture because if you are already in your place, you can
Dito, meron akong picture dito. Nakaganon ako nung first time ko dito sa Hong Kong.
Ako din.
Pero guys,
Kasunod na yan.
kabila.
Sino ba yung paggabi?
Ito tayo sa heritage. Heritage tayo.
Pero sa ganda ko kaya sa Pinas pero sa school pa. Di ba nasa sa
Hoy, si ano? Gusto ko to. Simbapi. Ha? Simbapi. Ayun ang Simbapi. ganyan pareho. Mayroon ng biligan yung ganyan tayo. Hindi dito tayo sa Hagdan. Tapos ganun. Dito kami sa Heritage. Siya siya din siya niya. Teka, nakawag ba to? Nasa Heritage kami. At ang ganda ng decoration dito sa Heritage. Yan. Dahil Christmas na. O diba? O magandang decoration nila pag during Christmas. Wala na po. Parang maganda lang pa. Dito tayo.
Mag-picture ka na ng apa tayo, B.
Wag na. Tapos na. Excuse me. Oh my God, I'm tired. Tiring. Guys, ang Heritage up there.
Oh, let's go.
Guys, see. Oh my God, I wanna try this one. See guys. Oh no, interesting. See.
May picture ako dyan. Dito.
Anong gagawin mo dyan para maging may picture ka?
Wala lang, mag-picture ka. Di na yung saan kahit sa Islam.
Wow, sexy.
Ay, ano naman sa baba?
Huwag na.
Dito, be. Sige na. Lupit.
Guys, so. Ayan guys.
Ah, nakasulat.
Signal Canyon yata. So, ayun. Hindi ko alam kung ano tawag dito. Whatever.
Helicopter.
Lagkapin mo na. Lagkapin mo na.
See another one. Signal Canyon. This is Signal Canyon. Signal Canyon. Ayan. Tawag dyan ay Signal Canyon daw. So, ayan guys. Oh. Ayan guys. Ang ganda.
Ito lang ganyan.
Dito tayo sa gitna. Para maganda.
Ayan guys, ang tawag dyan ay Signal Canyon. Ayan. So, hindi ko alam kung ano. Medyo malabo ang aking. Ayan, baba na tayo. Dito sa Heritage.
Hello, please follow to this lady. Subscribe, comment, share, like. Famous
Where you from?
Pakistan.
Pakistan. Oh, nice.
Good. And video is good.
Yeah.
But I didn't see now.
Yeah, later when I edit, then I can see you.
You make for my stock video.
This is the shop, Eman Mobile Center. Is this yours?
Yes,
Or
and
maybe...
Jim Sachoy mentioned Chungking Mansion block.
Oh, this is Chongqing Mansion. What?
Chongqing Mansion.
Oh, okay. You know where's the hotel here?
Many hotels.
So what? How? Yeah.
You want room?
Yeah.
Room maybe 200 something.
For one
day.
day?
Yeah.
200 for one day. Where is it? Can you?
You need?
Yes.
For going?
No, we are not going there. We just want to view.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no problem. I call him and he will show
Is
you.
it small or
Yeah, it's okay for 2 person.
for me and him?
No, well, like we are three or 4 person like that.
Then
Three
you maybe
person.
take one double bed and one single bed.
Mm-hmm.
3 person, 4 person can sleep.
So how much?
No, we're not.
What do you
We
think?
just need it for a day.
Yeah, for one day only.
For one day only.
Or like half day only.
Oh, maybe 4 hours, 3 hours.
4 hours like that or 3 hours.
Just one
Yeah,
day
because you don't need to.
Yeah, we don't need to spend the day.
Yeah, no problem. I call him, he coming.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah, it's fine. Okay.
This is Chongqing Mansion. Other than this.
Connect.
Yeah.
Ati?
Just a minute. I want to my WhatsApp is stop.
Okay, show me.
Don't know how to.
Anji boss.
It's my first time to see black people. Chinese like in here.
So guys,
Since I arrived.
I'm here in Chingchat.
Okay.
Wala lang. Naggala-gala at ayun napadpad dito sa loob ng Chongqing Mansion.
मैं करवा देता हूँ, करवा देता हूँ.
So guys,
Okay, okay.
Sabahan yung aking upload for today.
No problem.
Bye!